Do you feel nervous when speaking English in a shop? What if the cashier asks something unexpected and you freeze? In this video, you'll learn how to speak confidently with a shop assistant and cashier in real-life situations. By the end, you'll know useful phrases for asking about prices, sizes, payments, and returns naturally and fluently.
Good afternoon. Can I help you find anything?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for a casual jacket, something lightweight but stylish.
Sure. Do you have a specific color or size in mind?
Medium size, and preferably dark blue or gray.
Great choice. This section has our latest collection. This jacket is quite popular. It's on sale today.
Oh, really? How much is it after the discount?
It was $80, but now it's $55.
That sounds reasonable. What material is it made of?
It's mostly cotton with a little polyester, so it's comfortable but still durable.
That's good. I need something I can wear in both warm and slightly cold weather.
This one is perfect for that. It's breathable but still gives some warmth.
Nice. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is right over there. Let me know if you need another size.
It fits well around the shoulders, but I'm not sure about the sleeves. They feel a bit tight when I move my arms.
I see. Would you like to try a larger size for comparison?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Let me check in the stockroom. Just a moment, please. I'm afraid we're out of large in this color, but we have black and dark green available.
Dark green sounds interesting. Could I see it?
Certainly. Here you go.
I actually like this color more than I expected.
It suits you very well.
Thank you. I'll stick with the blue one though. It's growing on me and it matches most of my clothes.
Good decision. It's always better to choose something versatile.
That's true. By the way, how should I wash it?
It's machine washable, but I recommend using cold water and avoiding the dryer.
Thanks for the advice.
You're welcome. Shall I take this to the counter for you?
Yes, please.
Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
No problem. You can tap your card here. Great, the payment went through.
Does this come with a warranty?
There's a 30-day return policy. If there's any defect, you can exchange it or get a refund.
Good to know. What if I change my mind?
As long as the tag is still attached and you have the receipt, that won't be a problem.
Perfect. Thank you for your help. You've been very patient.
My pleasure. I'm glad I could help. Have a wonderful day.
You too. See you next time.
We look forward to seeing you again.
Now, let's review the new words and phrases. New words. Durable, strong and long-lasting. Distracted, unable to concentrate. Loyalty, being a regular customer. Versatile, useful in many different situations. Defect, a fault or problem in a product. New phrases. That sounds reasonable. The price seems fair. Can I try it on? May I wear it to see if it fits? I'm afraid we're out of stock. Sorry, we don't have it now. It suits you. It looks good on you. I'll stick with this one. I will choose this one. The payment went through. The payment was successful. Good to know. Useful information. Great job listening. You learn new words. Listen again to remember more. See you next time. Please subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you.